Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. And as you can see, on the third position we've got date and time options, so let's tap on it in order to enter. And here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if you want to use the network provided time just like now, or if you want to set it manually. In order to do that, just tap on the switch right here, and as you can see, date and time options are active, so now we can freely tap on it, and from this calendar choose the date you want to use. We can also choose the year by swiping. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, and the same situation will be with the time. So from this clock, simply choose the time you want to use, tap on OK, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied and visible on the status bar. What's more, we can use the network provided time zone just like now, or we can set it manually the same way. So simply tap on the switcher to turn off the network provided time, tap on the time zone, choose the region, and here from the list choose the one you want to use. For example, this one, simply tap on it. Let's get back, and it is also immediately applied. What's more, we can change the time format. Now we are using 24-hour format. If you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and it is also immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to manually set the date and time. And if you want to get back to all previous settings, so if you want to use network provided time and time zone, just tap on those switchers to turn on these options, and as you can see, it is also immediately changed and applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.